Hi everybody, this is Rick with Anchor Exterior. We are coming at you from Greenhills, Ohio today near Winton Woods. Just finishing up this fireplace, which you can see behind me. We're going to turn it around, turn the camera around here, and walk around. So this is our Cliff Rock fireplace. This is a wood burning outdoor fireplace. We also build these in gas models. This insert is a Superior Products WRE 3036, which is their 36-inch wide model. It's all stainless steel, real quality, good quality fire inserts. Comes with the grate. We got a hearth out in front here. We added this little paver base because the client didn't want to take up all the room that he had on his pretty small patio here, so he wanted to save it for seating room. So here we are. Another look. I'll back up so you can see. Got the mantelpiece, the main firebox. Carl and I started on this last week, had some rain days, and then there's Carl. Say hi, Carl.
Hello, hello.
And then there's Dave behind him. Dave from Genesis Rustic Creations came over here for the last 3 days. He's been over here helping us and getting a little hands-on on some coloring and building this fireplace. So tell us what you think about it. I think it came out pretty sweet. And keep us in mind if you are in the market for an outdoor fireplace, a fire pit, outdoor kitchen, a waterfall, any outdoor hardscape. You can call me directly at 513-729-6909. You can also find us at www.anchorexterior.com. And that's it. Have a good day.